everyone, just a quick message today to talk about some news and some difficulties really with the Team Races to Places project. Nobody said it was going to be easy, but it's a bit of sad news really that a couple of weeks ago got the news that Yuji Shinohara, our rider from Japan, was taken into hospital with a chronic subdural hematoma, and it's a bleed on the brain. It wasn't good, and he had to have surgery to remove a piece of his skull to fix the bleeding and try and relieve the pressure on his brain. And if it wasn't treated, it could have been tragic. So I'm happy to report that Yuji is well, and I've spoken to him, but obviously we've made the decision that it's not a good idea for him to do the Africa race. It's important that he makes a full recovery, so he's talked to his doctors and we've made that decision that he won't be racing. What that did is put a lot of pressure on the team, because with all the riders paying an equal share between them, it put pressure on the team to find a rider, and pretty quickly, and that's what I've been busy with. So it was a pretty stressful time to try and go out there and find a rider. I know a lot of people that ride and have raced, and trying to find someone that I feel that would fit in well with the team and be part of this adventure, Races to Places, and contribute to it both from a media perspective and also be competent enough to ride the Africa race. So I'm pleased to announce that we found someone. It wasn't easy, but his name is Matt Sutherland, and he's from Australia. So we've got an Australian rider on the team now, and Matt is currently down in Baja racing the Baja 1000, and I'm delighted to have him on the team. He was actually planning to race the Dakar Rally in 2021, and I contacted him to say, hey, how about pulling that forwards a year and come with us on Races to Places? It would be awesome to have you as part of the team. So Matt Sutherland is joining the team from Australia, and here's a few words from Matt himself.
Hi guys, my name is Matt Sutherland from Australia. As you can see, I'm down here in Baja, Mexico, getting ready for the Baja 1000. We've got some pre-running getting underway tomorrow. I first came across Lyndon Poskitt through his TV series, Races to Places. For me, I was getting into rally racing, and I've always had Dakar as a lifelong goal. For me to be able to watch those videos and sort of get a first-hand experience was priceless to me. And then I was fortunate enough the other day to actually get a phone call from Lyndon asking if I'd be able to fill a position due to an injured rider, unfortunately, on his Races to Places team, doing the original Road to Dakar, the Africa Eco Race. When opportunities like this come up, you need to grab the bull by the horns and go for it. I'm looking forward to riding with 4 guys that have all completed Dakar in the past. This kind of puts me in a position as the rookie of the group. I think I may be the youngest as well, although I don't look it with this beard. I'm really looking forward to meeting Lyndon. I'm really looking forward to throwing my leg over a brand new 450 rally bike. And yeah, it's going to be a blast. I can't wait.
So I'm delighted to welcome Matt onto the team, and I'm looking forward to having part of the journey and this project. And I'd just like to finish off saying to Yuji, my friend from Japan, Yuji, I wish you all the best for a speedy recovery, and I really hope that you can come and race with me some other time in the future when you're fit and well. So all the best to you over in Japan. Thanks guys.